Bangalore Institute of Coaching, which is popularly called as BIC. BIC is standing for Bangalore Institute of Coaching, and Bangalore Institute of Coaching is a premier coaching center which is producing grants and distinctions since 1991, and we are operating in the city of Bangalore. BIC, Bangalore Institute of Coaching, has so far successfully completed 28 years of operation and 105 batches. That's a great number of years and a very good number of batch. Strength for every batch was limited so that the students were given with individual attention. Giving individual attention was the most important point. 9,112 students had got enrolled from these 105 batches. The total is 9,112 students who had got enrolled, of which 2,800 students got into top medical colleges of Karnataka and 6,102 students got into top engineering colleges of Karnataka. And from this number, we find that 8,052 students achieved more than 90% of marks in their board examination. That is a remarkable success that is being given by BIC to the students community and to the parents community so far. And now BIC so far has proudly produced more than 602 engineers and 2,800 doctors. BIC, Bangalore Institute of Coaching, is starting Strategy NEET 2020 live classes. Now, what to expect from these live classes for the students? The students who are seriously preparing for 2020 NEET should not miss these live classes, because the topics that are being covered in these NEET live classes are the most important topic for this year NEET 2020 examination, and the topics picked up will be like that. And the subject coverage is, of course, all the three important subjects: physics, chemistry and biology. It's been observed that not all the lessons from all of the subject and all of the topics are very, very important. There are some very, very important concepts from each of the subjects, and in each of the chapters there are very, very specific points that we need to really prepare well to face this NEET 2020 examination. So, keeping that in mind, in order to help the students community or seriously preparing for 2020 NEET examination, Bangalore Institute of Coaching BIC has planned to go live, and these, of course, these classes are free. Anybody can make use of this particular opportunity that is given by BIC, Bangalore Institute of Coaching. Now, what to expect from this NEET 2020 live classes of Bangalore Institute of Coaching, and how the coverage plan will be. The coverage plan will be something like this. Each important chapter from the subjects of physics, chemistry, biology will be selected, and in that very, very important concept will be discussed. First, the concept discussion goes. Next, the questions from the previous NEET examination pertaining to that concept will be covered, and most importantly, what will be the most likely question that might come for this year NEET 2020 examination based on that covered concept will also be taken up in these classes. So, the student has to attend all of the sessions to get a complete idea about each important chapter that will be discussed. So, that is what the students can expect from this particular Strategy NEET 2020 live classes of Bangalore Institute of Coaching. And when are we going to start these classes? It's starting from 8th of October 2019. That is this month, 8th of October 2019. That is from Tuesday. And what will be the timings? The timings will be from 7 p.m. to 7:50 p.m. IST. So, according to the Indian Standard Time, the time will be in the evening between 7 p.m. to 7:50 p.m. So, all of those students who are seriously preparing for 2020 NEET examination, make it a point to attend all of these live sessions and take advantage of these live sessions. And you may please also inform about this to your friends who are also seriously preparing for NEET 2020 examination. Hope to see you all in this Strategy NEET live classes of 2020 examination. Now, the timetable will be given to you on weekly basis. So the timetable for the NEET live 2020 classes from 8th of October till 12th of October goes something like this. The classes are commencing from 8th of October, that is Tuesday. From Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, this entire week, starting from Tuesday up till Saturday, the subject coverage is chemistry. And of course, the timings, as I already brought to your notice, it is 7 p.m. to 7:50 p.m. And the topic of discussion is chemical kinetics. This happens to be one of the important concepts of chemistry. So, be ready to attend these live classes starting from 8th of October, and the subject is chemistry. Topic of discussion is chemical kinetics. Hope to see you all in these live classes.